Welcome to lecture 1 of making characters face in manga style. In this lecture, I'm gonna teach you about how to make construction line. To start any drawing, we're gonna do construction line as the first process. So please be sure that you are on layer 1. And please be sure that your G pen is selected. First, draw over shape to define the rough area of the face. We're gonna make a 45-degree of character's head. So please drag the center line like this. You might know that we're gonna use the center line to be measurement of face element. And draw the shape of the face at the oval area. In manga style, female characters usually have V-shaped face, so I will draw like that. But it's okay if you want to try different shape. So we have face now. As we have vertical line as a center line of face, we will divide it to 3 parts equally to be eyes, nose, and mouth. To draw area of head with hair, just leave a rough details. This part I want to say it from my experience. Specify how the head shape is more important than create details of hair in this process. So just leave a rough doodle like this. You may add on character's neck or some part of her clothes. And that's it. We finally have construction line to make line art now. I will teach you my techniques of making line art in next lesson. Please keep in mind that the more you practice, the more you get better. So try to draw construction line as good as you can. And please don't hesitate to send to me to get some critique or ask something if you have questions. Alright, thank you everyone for joining my class. See you in next lesson. Goodbye.